Welcome back. I'm Sierra Crawford, a loan officer with First Federal, and this is Let's Talk Loans, where I answer your lending questions. Today's question is, what common misconceptions do people have about the home buying process? My answer is having a large down payment or 20%. There are programs out there that allow as little as 3%, sometimes even 0%. And we also have local brands that can help cover those costs. Another big one, private credit is a must. While good credit is helpful, there's options out there for a range of scores. Buying a home should be exciting, not overwhelming. Don't let myths stand in your way. Bottom line, it never hurts to ask. Even if you're just thinking about buying a home, having a conversation can put you on the right path. If you have any questions about the loan process, send them my way or leave a comment and maybe we will answer them in the next video.